kind of some of the basics, okay? What percent of 56 is 42? I mean, it's just random word problems that go, okay? So now that being said, there is a proportion that works every single time for this. No matter what kind of word problem we get, there's one proportion that will always work. Does anybody know what that is? Hannah?
It'd be like the numbers you have and then x over 100.
Close. Does anybody have words to put in there?
Ooh, the percent over 100.
There's a percent over 100. I like that part. There's also some more words here. So I like the percent over 100 part. That's a good start because our percent's always over 100, right? Okay. What about the other side? Anybody remember anything on this side?
You have X.
Is over of. Okay. Now, there are lots of ways to teach this, and your junior high may have taught you something a little different, and that is okay. All right? I am teaching you the one-size-fits-all model. All right? So there's no guessing about what exactly you're going to do. You're not going to write equations and that. You're just is over of, percent over 100. Okay? So when I look down here at A, what percent of 56 is 42? Okay? You are looking at of 56. So that is your of number. Is 42. That's your is number. Alright? I mean, that's literally all you're doing is locating the words and what number's attached to it. Okay? So is over of 42 over 56 equals, and since the question is what percent, it's a good thing that we have an X in the percent spot, right? What percent, that's what we're looking for, over 100. Now that we have that, now it's just a matter of doing some cross multiplication, okay? So we're going to take 42 times 100 and get 4,200. Cross multiply the other way and get 56. Is everybody okay with that so far? Alright, so we're going to take 4,200 divided by 56, and what did we end up with there? 75%. 75%. Okay, does anybody have a question on the first one? Okay, so let's try again. Again, still using the same model, okay? So 125% of what number is 17.5? Okay, so let's start with our is over of part. So what's going to happen on the first part of my proportion here?
You put 17.5 on the top because it is, and then 125 on the bottom because it's of.
Nope, not quite. What's the of say?
Of what number?
So we have an X down here. Right? Okay, if it has a percent on it, okay, if it has a percent on it, where does that have to go? Top over the what? 100. Okay, so the percent always is going to be attached to that 100. Always, 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 always. Okay? So don't worry about the word that's attached to that. Find the percent. That's always going to go over 100. And then it's a matter of separating it out. Of what number? We don't know the of. And we know is 17.5. Okay? Alright, so now let's cross multiply. And we're going to get 1,750 equals 125x. And what did we end up with? He says 70. Anybody agree with him? No?
14.
I'm hearing 14.
Oh wait, I forgot to divide.
You forgot?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, I agree with 14.
14.
Alright, so x equals 14. Okay. Alright, we're going to try one more here. So go down and look at E. We're going to go straight down. Okay. What is 25% of 152? Okay, so first off, do we have a percent? Where does that go? Good, so we know that we're going to have 25 over 100, right? Because that's our percent. Our percent has to go there. Okay, now is over of.
Put the X on the top and then 152 on the bottom.
Okay, x on top, 152 on the bottom, right? Of, there's your of word. Okay, what is, we don't know the is. Okay, okay, cross multiply. Okay, what do we end up with? 38, very good.
Was that all for nothing?
That's the first part, first section.
Oh.
Okay. All right, does anybody have any questions on that? Okay, again, look at your notes when you're doing homework, okay? Utilize those notes, okay? All right, so we're gonna go ahead now and drop to example 2, okay? Now we're gonna shift gears a little bit, okay? No more is over of, okay? So this is a dress shirt that normally costs $38.50 is on sale for 30% off. What is the sales price of the shirt? Now, we did this summer, sales tax discounts. Did anybody remember anything about
Is
that?
it original?